Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you love food, if you love African food, if you love eating, like, subscribe. Subscribe if you are a foodie like me, because you know African food is very tasty and I love tasty Nigerian food. So if you are a foodie like me and if you love eating, then this is where you should be. Anyway guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing another food recipe. We are going to be cooking fish nsala soup. So nsala is a white soup, basically a white soup you can make with goat nsala, fish nsala, meat nsala, whatever how you want to make your nsala. But today I am craving for fish nsala soup, so we are going to be making it. I'm going to take you guys over there and I will be introducing you guys to our ingredients for today. Welcome on board and stay tuned. So I have this fish, yeah, but you guys, if you're from Nigeria, you know that the best fish for making nsala soup is catfish. If you're gonna do fish nsala soup, the best fish for it is catfish. But I'm not gonna go start looking for catfish in this lockdown, so I'm using the one I have here in my fridge. I don't actually know the name of this fish. If you know the name, leave the name down low. I don't actually know the name of it, but I like it as well as a fish. To be using a dry fish, I have soaked it. Very soon I'm gonna wash it out and rinse it. I'm going to be using stock fish as well. I have soaked it as well. I'm going to be using potato to thicken my nsala. You can use yam, you can use any thickener you like. Sometimes I use oat as well. So I have my crayfish, I have my salt, I have my maggi and okpei, I have my pepper, I have the hot chili, and I have the sweet red pepper. I'm going to be using half of this one, and I have my okazi. Okazi is a bitter vegetable. So this is all my ingredients for today. Like nsala soup ingredients is usually very simple, like it's not too complicated, it's not a complicated dish, so it's a very simple meal. So yeah, I have cleaned the back of my fish. I'm going to cut it and then we'll start the process. So this sweet potato is actually, I'm going to be making sweet potato fufu. So yes, I'm going to be using this to make my sweet potato fufu. So let's get started. So guys, that is our fish. I am going to cut our fish. So guys, after cutting our fish, I'm going to rinse our fish with warm water. I'm going to use warm water to rinse the fish. And this fish is already breaking apart, so I'm going to try not to stir it too much. So guys, this is our fish. It is clean. I am going to now add our stock fish as well, and I'm going to also add our potato. I'm going to add water. I'll add 2 maggi, and I'll add salt. So I'm going to cover and we'll start cooking our fish. So now guys, I'm going to blend all my ingredients. So I'm going to add crayfish and okpei in the blender. I'm going to add the sweet pepper and the hot chili in the blender. And I'm going to add my okazi as well. So I'm blending the okazi with everything. So I'm just using a bit of okazi because okazi is very bitter. If you like it to be a lot more bitter, then add more ukazi leaf if you like it that way. And I'm going to blend. I'm going to add a little bit of water, so I'm going to be blended not to be too smooth. So guys, this is my blended mixture. As you can see, it is not blend properly. It still have tiny pieces in it, so that is the way it looks. So I'm going to put it aside. So guys, for my potato fufu, I am going to cut this potato and I am going to blend it. If you have seen me making my butternut squash fufu, that is the same method I am going to be using to make this sweet potato fufu. So I'm going to cut everything and I'm going to blend it. I'm not going to show that process to cut this video short, so I'm going to cut and blend it, and I'll show you guys when I finish blending it. Okay, I need to check the potato and see if it's time to take out the potato. So yes, it is soft. The potato is soft now. I'm going to take it out and then blend the potato. Put this on top of the stove and I started cooking it, and I haven't checked it. I think it's about 10 minutes now, and yeah, so now the potato is soft and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to blend it. So this is the time to add all our other ingredients, because it doesn't take time to cook nsala soup. Once your whatever you're using as a thickener is soft, then it is time to start adding all your other stuff inside. I'm going to add my dry fish. I have cleaned it, and I'm going to add all my blended mixture. I'm going to cover and keep boiling, then I'll blend my potato and add it in there as well. So guys, it is time to add our blended potato. I'm going to mix. Try and mix it gently. I don't want my my fish to break. So I'm going to cover and cook this my nsala soup. Now I have added my thickening. I'm going to cook it until the whole thing has dissolved. Usually if you pound it, it's going to be a hard yam or something, so you need to wait for the whole thing to dissolve. So I'm gonna boil this and wait for the whole thickener to dissolve and blending with the soup, and then I will taste for salt and maggi. So that is my blended sweet potato. I am going to boil it and allow all the water in it to go out. Then I'll use my oat flour to thicken it up. So that is it. I'm gonna leave it there and let it start boiling and let all the water go out. So over to our pot of soup. I'm going to mix. And I'm going to taste for maggi and salt. There is no maggi and salt, so I'm going to add 2 maggi and a bit of salt. So I'm going to cover for another 5 minutes. Guys, after 5 minutes of adding the last maggi and salt, our nsala soup is ready. It's very delicious. The fish were a little breaky even before I started making the soup. Very yummy, guys. So I'm going to wait for our sweet potato is still boiling. I'm waiting for the water in the sweet potato to go out before I start adding the oat flour. But our soup is ready and it's tasting so yummy and so delicious. So guys, this is our sweet potato. It has finished boiling. The water has gone out of it, and we are going to add our oat powder. If you have not seen me make this kind of fufu from scratch, I suggest you check out some of my other videos where I made butternut squash fufu. That will give you the idea of what I have done. I did not show the whole thing, but yeah, basically just blend your sweet potato, put it in the pot, let the water to go out, and then you start adding your oat flour or whatever thickener you want to use. I know some people use other thickener than oat flour, but whichever one that pleases you, go for it. So I'm going to keep mixing until I get to the consistency that I want. So guys, we are done making our sweet potato fufu. So this is how it looks. So that is how it looks. So I'm going to put it in a bowl and allow it to cool down first. Okay, so maybe give it like 5 minutes to cool down. So that is the way it looks. So guys, this is our final result. That is our sweet potato, and this is our fish nsala soup, white sauce. So this is it guys. The aroma in here is absolutely to die for. I can't wait to dive in and demolish this food. This nsala soup is just a simple recipe. The only thing that I know most people will not have is the ogili, but it is a simple recipe. I did not add complicated stuff, so I just decided to make it simple recipe because I know some of you were telling me in the other my nsala soup, oh, I don't have this, I don't have this. And then for the vegetable, for the otazi, if you don't have the otazi, you can use spinach. So this nsala soup is basically crayfish, pepper, sweet pepper, and then the ogili. So it's as simple as possible. So guys, this is it. This is the final result, and it is looking absolutely yum and delish. This is where this recipe is going to end, guys. Do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up on your way out. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me in this wonderful recipe. Thank you for sticking around, and thank you for watching. This is where today's recipe is going to end. The aroma in here is absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dive in. Absolutely love nsala soup. If you're from Igbo, you know that we eat this regularly in our daily meal. Anyway guys, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching, and if you're a new person here and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And to my wonderful subscribers, please give me a thumbs up if you really enjoy this recipe. That encourages me to do more and also help to, you know, bring up my video up there in YouTube ranking. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.